wanachama wa ANC Vihiga. Tumeanza kuitembea na yeye not even a year ago.
And Azimio La Umoja leader Raila Odinga is currently leading a group of Azimio leadership in a funeral of Luo elder Peter Nyanganga in Seme, Manyaunda, Kisumu County. Some of the issues expected here to be addressed by Raila are the electoral injustices and the high cost of living being experienced in the country. We are having this conversation with our reporter down there, that is Bramwell Buire, as he brings us up to speed on what is happening. Good afternoon, Bramwell. You are in Kisumu County. What's the latest from where you are with regards to the meeting that Raila Odinga is attending to right now?
Sub-county, this is Kisumu County. And it's true, as you've said, we are in Seme Manywanda. This is Kisumu County, where the Azimio La Umoja presidential candidate and leader Raila Odinga is leading a number of Azimio leadership here in attending this funeral of an elder of the Luo Council of Elders. He's here. Among the leaders present right now are Siaya Governor James Orengo, Migori Governor Ochilo Ayako, Kisumu Governor Professor Nyanganga with his deputy Matthew Owili. And of course, as you've rightly put it, some of the issues that have been spoken by these leaders and are expected to take center stage in this funeral today here, when the leaders turn on the podium to speak to the congregants who are here. A mammoth of congregants here are attending this funeral. We're expecting Raila Odinga, who has assured the country that he's still thinking of the course of action that will be taken by his ardent followers from this region who have been voting for him and standing by him every time he has been on the ballot. And the issues that are going to see him here, we're expecting him here to clarify to the residents here, are the issues to do with electoral injustices. You know, you remember he says that he has accepted the verdict, as much as he does not agree with the verdict given by the Supreme Court. He has, for the sake of rule of law, he has just to go by it and accept and agree by it. But again here, we've seen we've seen Governor James Orengo and Ochilo Ayako coming out strongly to criticize the president over what they are saying, the failed promises given by the president during the campaigns. So we are also going to see such statements coming from these leaders here who really say that they are, as much as people think they are not going to do the opposition role, they are going to still put the leadership of the country in check. So those are some of the things, Dennis, we are going to follow up here from this funeral in Seme sub-county, Kisumu County. And of course, we'll be coming back to you and updating our viewers in our subsequent bulletins. From here in Seme, back to you, Dennis.
Thank you very much, Bramwell. As you continue to follow up on what is happening in Kisumu County, we shall be getting back to you. And yes, indeed, that will be coming in our subsequent news bulletin. And now,